At yan yung aming mga pinamili. Ayan. Magsi 7 o'clock na dito sa bansang Kuwait, pero init pa rin.
7 na ba to?
Hello mga palangga at mga
with my iPhone.
OFW. Andito kami sa labas. Kasi may ipapatahi ako na damit ng aking amo.
It's karban.
Ayan. We will pass this way. Magpapatahi kami. Ito. At dito kami dadaan sa kabilang way. Ayan na ano nila oh. Tinanggal nila yung ano, yung tubo ng tubig. Ayan na, mainit pa rin. Time check dito ay ano na, 6:24 na ng hapon. Yan naman ang National Highway. Wala nga sigurong tubig ang ano dito ba dumaan. Ito naman ang under construction. Hala, where is your money? Huh?
I think you will give me food.
Agoy.
You will give me food.
No. I don't have money, you know. Kapit na kami sa Jamia.
What?
Mainit ang
What
ano,
you do when it's
hangin.
press this one?
Ayan na, malapit na kami sa diretso lang namin to at maano na namin ang
300.
ano.
No,
Para,
not 300.
6:30 na dito pero sobrang init pa rin. Mainit yung dampi ng ano,
I
hangin.
hope 1 million did that.
Where is it? Can you give us even 100 dinar only? Can you or no?
No.
Why no?
No, I don't have 100. I have all money of the world.
Agoy.
Really.
Ang ganda ng ano.
I'm really not that. I'm
Ganda.
really walla not that. I have the aha.
Ganda
This
ng
one
bulaklak.
is a food. This one is a food. Let's taste.
Sure?
Yeah.
No, that's flower.
No.
Yes, you see it. It is flower, you know.
Food.
No, it's not
Give
food.
me it. I want it.
No, but then
Food.
maybe we
Give me.
no, it's not kamun. That is a flower.
No, it's the moon. This is the moon. This is the flower.
Kamun daw sabi ng alaga namin. No, yellow, we're gonna.
I want this. It's like
Agoy. May nagdidilig doon oh. Ayan yung Jamia. Fikar oh, fikar. Tapos na kami doon sa Jamia. At kakain na kami ng aming biniling ice cream. O, diba? Struggle is life.
Ganon din ang singil nila doon?
Saan? Ha?
Pareho din yung singil nila?
Yung kumakain ka ng ice cream tapos hindi mo alam ang tao pala sa taas. Hindi ko alam kung mahagip siya. Kasama ko. Binigyan kasi kami ni Madam ng 2KD. Nakabili kami ng ice cream. Ay, siya lang pala. Nakikain lang ako. At yan yung aming mga pinamili. Ayan. Magsi 7 o'clock na dito sa bansang Kuwait pero init pa rin.
7 na ba to?
Mag-stop kami dito kasi kakain kami ng ice cream.
Inadjust mo yan? Pinapaikot mo?
Small gun to buy.
Sina?
Small gun to buy.
Wala.
Tara na? Galing natin yung fries niya. What?
I am the best teacher in the world. Only this one I will eat today. Please, kabalita, kabalita. Kabalita, Jana.
Hindi pa tapos kumain yung aming alaga. Yellow will go na. It's already dark. Huh? We will go na? Then?
Why?
You finished already what you bought?
Hindi, mayroon pang isang
Because?
biscuit.
Because it's chocolate. And you're not allowed to eat what? Chocolate. Sa? What? Don't make it ang Kuwait City. Ayan. Ayan. National Highway. Yan ang aking kasama.
Alas, Joseph.
Yung gusto mo nang umuwi, pero yung alaga mo ayaw pa. Come na! It's already dark, oh! What are you doing there again? Ha? Okay, arrange.
Yala. Uwi na tayo.
We'll go na?
Yeah, let's go.
Pauwi na kami at madilim na. Salam.
Ouais, Jamia.
Yan kami yung ano namin. Ang aming kapitbahay na ano. Who? You are what? Huh? We are near na. Yung alaga namin sobrahan ng kain ng chocolate, nangangarati na. You want to pass there or this side? This side na lang tayo. Mag-new ano tayo? Grabe yung pawis, oh. Oh, diba? 7 o'clock na dito. Pa! Kakapaligo ko lang. Grabe yung pawis ko. You eat too much? What? You eat too much what?
Balbul.
Sino balbul yan eh?
Yani sarang kisi belata.
You eat too much chocolate. That's why you are doing the Corfu karate.
That's what I'm tired of from
nag-change location kami sa aming pag-uwi. Para yung paan niya hindi malagyan ng ano, balas. Sino hada yan eh? Ha? Ha? Akala ko binibenta yan. Ha? When are you going to...
Hussein!
No, it's not Hussein, that one.
No, Anya.
Hey, maybe you need Nadara.
Because before you do, makadalan. Pwede bisan. Ang ingay na pa sa patahian, sabi niya susing daw yun.
At hanggang dito na lang ang aking pagbablog. Thank you for watching and masalama.
God said that.
Please, what?
Please what?
What are you going to tell?
I just said something.
Huh? Please, don't forget to subscribe. Press the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga video. Bye-bye. Masalama.